So the battery died on this fat boy here. My man Logan is over here. He's about to switch it out. About to show us how to do it. Is this usually like a pretty tough thing to do, changing these batteries?
These are the most pain in the butt batteries out there right now.
Yeah, they're pretty hidden in there, right?
Yeah, they're completely inaccessible without taking half the bike apart. I always put this back so you don't have to look for it later.
There you go, smart.
You pops didn't play with these, dude.
Pretty tight. So basically the only tool that you need is those pliers and then this right here?
Yeah, a couple screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, and a 532 Allen to get the side cover off.
Got you. See if we could get this thing juiced up for the ride tomorrow. Are these like, can you push start these? Like when the battery's dead? Is it possible?
It's not easy, but you can.
Yeah, they tried, but like you said, it ain't easy.
Yeah, it's easier than an automatic car, but besides everything's powered by that battery, all the ignition and everything. So without ignition power, you got no spark. And we finally start to see it.
Oh, it's way down in there, huh?
Wires out of the way.
So you just take a screw off the top there for that?
Yeah, get the negative disconnected.
Oh, okay, got you.
Get them out of the way. This guy to pop this out. This guy from the positive side. Thought I'd get that cover off first. A couple of tabs. I'll show you the tabs once we get it out.
Okay.
It's stuck on something that's not. Oh, there it is. We got like 3 different tabs on this thing.
Is it stuck on a little tab right there?
Yeah, there's a tab here, and then this tab up top, and then that clips on there.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
So once you get all those freaking clear, but that sits like this.
Okay, right on top of it.
Yeah, you can't untake that screw out until
you remove the cover.
Yeah. And now we can come in and get that guy. It's right down there. Out of there, and then we should be ready to come out.
Just like that, huh?
Yeah.
Make it look easy. I know it ain't.
Yeah.
You know, they put it in there. They hit it pretty well in there.
Yeah.
And you got to take the dipstick out of there.
Yeah.
Is that what that was? A dipstick?
Yeah, the engine oil dipstick. Might be able to go over it.
There it is.
But you got your money's worth of 2017 batteries, so it's 5 years old. So
what's the life usually like on those?
5's about max.
About 5 years.
Yeah.
So makes sense.
It goes together usually easier than it did to come apart. This plops in.
Right in there.
I put this in right away because you drop anything down that hole, you're in trouble, dude.
Yeah, true that.
Now this is one of the hardest parts. The
magnet back on there. Oh yeah.
Stainless steel.
Oh.
So if you drop this, you're in trouble. Yeah. So the good news is we got a couple tries, but if it falls down and we don't want to leave it down there, it could get chewed up with the bell.
Got you. So we're gonna play what was that game called? Operator? Where you
yeah, Operation. Yeah. But that's how I hold it in place.
Just use your finger.
Trying to grab the cable and the hole. And we're in.
Got it.
Yeah. And he's got, this is not stock. This is maybe for these lights. So we need to make sure we put that back in though.
Okay. Could that like contribute to the drainage of the battery, having something like that?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
You want to just like start it up every now and then?
I just recommend a tender,
Oh,
battery
okay, yeah,
tender,
true.
yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah.
the starting does help, but especially here, it pulls up water in the motor. Cylinders are like soda cans. On a hot summer day, you know, they get water in there, believe it or not, and then
okay.
it'll cause the cylinders to rust. Or,
Got you. So tender is the best way to do it.
yeah, just charge it, or if you want to start it, ride it. You know, go at least 10
Right,
miles.
10 miles,
Yeah.
okay. Got you.
Any temperature anywhere, a Harley will get to operating temp at 12 miles, but here it's never under
Warm,
60
yeah.
degrees.
Yeah,
you
do
know?
that. So there it is, a reason to ride the bike.
And then this one goes over this. See, it comes up, goes like that. So you can't put the cable on first. Got to put this in first.
Got you. Got to follow the steps.
You'll find out, and you'll have to disconnect it. Take this back out.
Yeah, we all been there.
Yeah. Usually the third time's the charm.
Yeah. You just gotta clip all the 3 little clips in there.
This guy back in. Alrighty. We'll clip this is a rear ABS sensor.
Okay.
Really make this one so tight. Plug him in. This guy. There it is.
That's it.
Yeah.
Not too bad when you know what you're doing.
If you want, I could text you like all the torque specs if you want to put them in the.
Oh, okay, cool. That'd be dope.
Yeah, because I know that's what a lot of the times when I look that stuff up, it's for the torque specs is the number one. You know?
Right, yeah. Important information.
Yeah, not like you shouldn't need the torque specs for all this, but some people do.
Yeah, usually people just use the elbow torque.
Yeah, it's just the battery. I mean, if we were rebuilding a motor here, it'd be a different story.
Yeah,
you
true.
know?
Do you want to plug anything for the people here on the Central Coast if they want to hit you up about anything?
No, I'm not cool enough. Dude. You know? Just an old man, dude.
Regular.
You know, family man nowadays. You know, these don't need to be more than hand tight, but pliers usually is what you need to get them off.
Okay, got you.
Because they just stay on there so long. Little corrosion, central coast corrosion.
Right.
Check this tomorrow while you're riding though, because I've
Just to
never
make
seen
sure.
one of them. Actually, just give it a little oomph.
Just a little for
Can't hurt.
the peace of mind.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Yeah.
That was quick.
We should. He probably has a key inside.
Oh yeah. Should I grab the key?
Might as well see if it starts.
Yeah. Moment of truth.
I don't know if this is it.
Oh, it
Or
might not be
This
it.
battery might be dead, but I put the security pin in,
Let me
so
see.
it worked.
Oh, so this
So
wasn't
it'll
the key.
start.
Oh,
Or
okay.
unless that battery's dead too.
That's crazy.
Can't walk away from you then.
There it is. We in business.
We can test that key in here.
Oh, you can test it right there.
Yeah, so this is definitely the key.
It's just a dead
Yeah,
fob.
the fob battery. But if not, the code's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It'll say
Oh.
enter pin.
Yeah.
This is your number selector, and then this is enter. Like I'll
Gotcha.
show you real quick because we don't have the thing.
Mhm.
And it'll say enter pin.
Oh, okay.
And you go here.
Simple enough.
Yeah.
So do they all have different pins or?
This is a generic one that we set, but you could personalize
put
it.
your own, right.
Yeah, anything but zeros, 5 digits.
Oh, okay.
And then
Boom, there
you
it
go.
is.
It's super easy. you know.
Nice. And
It's good to know in case you ever lose the key.
true. Yeah. All right, Logue, man.
See?
Appreciate it, dude.
Yeah. Take care.
All right, you too.
Have fun tomorrow.
All right, I will.
Yeah,
Enjoy the rest
care.
of the day, man.
Yeah, you too, man. Take
All right,
care.
later. Well, there it is. Shout out to Logan. Appreciate you. Came through and, made it look easy. That's what happens when you know what you're doing. But yeah, man, it looks like we will be riding tomorrow. That's how you change a battery on a Harley Davidson Fatboy 114. I believe this is a 2017. Hopefully that helped. If it did, and you guys enjoy the content, like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate it greatly. There goes Logan. He's up up out of here. I'm up out of here. All links are down below in the description for anything you guys might need if you guys are interested. The 1391 merch and apparel, the gaming channel if you guys are into that, the social platforms, everything I use and recommend on the channel. That's pretty much gonna do it. Until the next time, your boy Louie checking out. Salute.